Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of generating anime AI art using Leonardo AI, a free AI art platform. We'll cover everything from signing up for the platform to generating your first piece of art, experimenting with different models, adjusting settings, and refining your artwork. So, if you've been looking for a detailed guide on how to get started with Leonardo AI, you're in the right place. Before we start, make sure to check the link in the description box for Leonardo AI so you can follow along with this tutorial. Now, Leonardo AI has quickly become a favorite for generating high-quality AI art. It's free to use, although there are some limitations like daily token limits, but the number of tokens you get is quite generous compared to other platforms out there. First, go to Leonardo AI by using the link in the description, and on the home page, you'll see the option Get Started. Click on it, and you will be prompted to the Sign Up page. Here, click on the Sign Up button if you don't have an account before, or simply log in or sign up with Apple, Google, and Microsoft. After you are logged in with your credentials, you will be taken to the Leonardo AI homepage. A pop will appear asking you to pick up your username. Enter whatever username you would like, then select your interests below. Click next to Proceed and accept the terms and conditions. Once you're on the home page, you will notice a nice layout of the website. On the top, you will see different AI tools lined up for easier access. The sidebar also have various tools that are categorized under AI tools and Advanced. First tool is Image Creation, which is the primary tool for generating AI images based on text prompts. You can describe what you want the AI to create, and it will generate several variations of the image according to your input. Motion is likely focused on generating animated or motion-based elements. This could be used for creating GIFs or short animated sequences based on AI models. Real-time Canvas is a tool that allows you to interact with and manipulate images in real time. You can refine, add elements, or tweak your images while seeing the changes as they happen. Real-time generation provides a faster and more dynamic way to generate images as you make changes. It may be optimized for generating quick previews or faster AI outputs. Canvas Editor is a more advanced tool that allows you to edit AI-generated images by painting over them, erasing elements, or modifying certain parts manually. It's like a blend of a digital painting tool with AI capabilities. Universal Upscaler tool is used to upscale your images, improving the resolution and adding more detail. It is ideal when you want a larger or higher quality version of the AI-generated image for printing or other uses. In the Advanced section, you will see fine-tuned models which contain specialized AI models that have been fine-tuned for specific tasks or art styles. These can be community-created or platform-provided models optimized for different types of artwork. For instance, if you want to create pixel art, you can use the Pixel Art model. If you're working on something festive like Christmas designs, they have dedicated models for that too. It's a great way to get more specific results depending on what you're aiming for. Next, you have Training and Datasets. This tool is likely used to train AI models on custom datasets. If you have a collection of images and want to fine-tune the AI to produce a specific style or subject, you can upload your dataset here and train the AI on it. Lastly, Texture generation, which is still in an alpha testing phase. This tool is designed to generate seamless textures, likely for game design, 3D modeling, or graphic design purposes. This would allow for generating patterns or textures that can repeat without visible seams. Each tool in Leonardo AI helps cater to different aspects of AI-generated art, whether you are working with still images, motion, textures, or more advanced customization with fine-tuning. Now, on the main page, the first thing you'll notice is the wide range of community-generated images on display. The quality is really impressive, especially when you zoom into the details. For example, you might see a Gothic-style church set in a foreboding backdrop of a dark, cloudy sky with a new moon or an autumn landscape with vibrant, lush fields of flowers that looks like it was taken by a professional photographer. What makes Leonardo AI stand out from the rest is not just the variety of art styles, but the precision and cleanliness of the images. You'll see examples where the skin tones are soft, the lighting is well balanced, and the compositions are visually appealing. Before we dive into generating our artwork, let me quickly show you some of the amazing images other users have created with Leonardo AI. Take a look at this woman's face. The skin is so soft, and every detail is rendered beautifully. Here's another example, a cyberpunk girl. Just look at how clean and crisp the image is. There's a lot of detail, but it all comes together so well, giving it a polished look. And here is a pirate-themed girl with a fox. The craftsmanship of the AI-generated design is just incredible. Alright, let's get started with your anime art creation. From the homepage, click on the Image Generation option under AI Tools section. This will open up the workspace where you'll do all your art creation. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, even if you're a beginner. On the left side, you'll see different models and settings you can tweak to achieve the result you're looking for. On the right, you have the prompt area where you can type in what you want to create. Now, let's go through a simple example. In the prompt area, I'm going to type anime character with black hair, wearing a military uniform standing in front of a military building. Next, let's adjust some settings. At the top, you will see the preset option. By default, the Leonardo Phoenix is selected. Click on it and you will see a bunch of different options. This drop-down allows you to choose between different preset models for generating your AI images. You can select anything like anime, concept art, lifelike, and more to generate more accurate results as you want. Here I will go with the default option, which is Leonardo Phoenix, as it is optimized for general-purpose image creation, providing a balance of creativity and realism. Next is Prompt Enhance. You can choose between automatic, on, or off. I will select automatic as it enhances your input prompts for better results. This helps the AI generate images that more closely match the style and content described in the prompt. Third option is Preset Style. You can choose the style of image you want from the drop-down list. Here, I will select Cinematic Concept as I want my generated images to look cinematic. Contrast controls the contrast level in the image. Medium strikes a balance between light and dark areas, ensuring the generated image has enough detail without being too harsh or too soft, so I will no change this setting. For generation mode, there are 3 options on how speedily you want your images to be generated. Fast prioritizes speed, generating images more quickly, but possibly with less detail. Quality offers a balance between generation speed and image quality. Ultra focuses on high-quality results with maximum detail, but takes longer to generate. But only premium users get access to quality and ultra options. Next, you can also select the image dimensions like 2:3, 1:1, or 16:9. Select different aspect ratios for your image. You can also select the image size from small, medium, and large. You can go higher, but remember, the higher the resolution, the longer it takes to generate. Like here, I will select 1:1 and medium size. You can choose how many images to generate at once, from 1 to 4. This is useful if you want multiple variations of the same prompt to choose from. Let's go with 4, which is the default one. Next, you will see a private mode option, which is a premium feature. You can toggle the button to turn it on or off. When turned on, your creations remain private and are not shared with the Leonardo community. Now, down below, you will see another section called Advanced Settings. Here, the first option is Model, which is Leonardo Phoenix. You can choose the specific AI model that will generate your images. Leonardo Phoenix is selected here, which might specialize in developing high-quality artistic photos. Photoreal is the second option. When enabled, this option forces the AI to create more photorealistic images, making them appear more like real-life photographs. The third is the negative prompt. This option allows you to input descriptions of elements you want the AI to avoid in the image. Toggle the button to turn it on, and a separate bar will appear under your prompt section. Here, write anything you don't want, such as specific colors or styles. Next is transparency. When turned on, the AI generates an image with a transparent background, which is useful for creating stickers, logos, or overlays. Since I don't want a transparent background, I will turn it off. Another cool feature of Leonardo AI is the ability to create patterns using the tile option. If you're into graphic design or need seamless textures for something like a website background or game design, this feature is going to be a game changer. Now you can generate a tile-able pattern that repeats seamlessly. The last option you will see is Use Fixed Seed. A seed value controls randomness. When you use a fixed seed, you'll get similar results each time you input the same prompt. This is useful if you want consistent image outputs across different sessions. In the end, there is a Reset to Defaults button. This button restores all the settings to their original default state, allowing you to start fresh if the settings have been changed too much. These options provide a comprehensive set of controls to fine-tune and generate exactly the type of image you need. Once you've configured your settings, click Generate and let the magic happen. In just a few seconds, the AI will generate multiple images based on your prompt. Let's take a look at what it came up with. Here are 4 different versions of the anime character I described. You can see the variations in hairstyle, pose, and even facial expression. Some are better than others, but that's the beauty of AI. It gives you a lot of options to choose from. Now, under the generated images, you will see a bunch of options like the download button, unzoom, remove background, and motion video. The upscaler option is recently added too. Now, if you find an image you like but want to refine it further, you can use Leonardo AI's Canvas feature. To do this, you can either download the selected image and manually open it in the Canvas editor, or from these options, select the Edit in Canvas option. This is where things get really interesting. The Canvas allows you to edit and add to your generated images. You can paint over areas, add new elements like images, add text, or even erase parts of the image. Let's the Canvas mode from the right panel, which gives different generation modes. You can change it to text to image, which generates an image from scratch, in paint, out paint option, which transforms a section of image keeping the rest same, image to image option, which allows you to transform underlying content completely, and lastly, sketch to image option, which transforms your sketches into AI images. Keeping the in paint, out paint option, next toggle off the out paint button as we do not want to extend our image. Next, choose the in-paint strength and number of images you want to be generated. Down again, you will see the image dimensions and ratio options. Choose these options according to your image. Next is render density, which decreases and increases the pixel density of your image, and last option is guidance scale. This settings controls how closely the AI sticks to your prompt. For example, I'm going to select the mask brush and mask the belt of the character. The AI will then process the details and will provide a bunch of options to select from. Another aspect I want to touch on is the image-to-image feature. This allows you to upload an image, and the AI will generate new variations based on it. Let's say you have an old drawing you did, or maybe a rough sketch of a character. You can upload it, and Leonardo AI will generate a polished, AI-enhanced version. I'll upload this simple drawing of a person I made a while back. Once the image is uploaded, I will write the description on the image in the prompt bar and click on Generate. The AI takes my original sketch and transforms it into a highly detailed, stylized piece of art. If you're an artist or graphic designer and want more control over the style, Leonardo AI has you covered. You can select specific art styles or even upload your own images to train the AI on the kind of art you want it to generate. This is done through Leonardo AI's dataset and model training options. While it's a bit more advanced, it's a powerful tool if you want to fine-tune the AI's outputs to match your own artistic vision. You can essentially create your own model that learns from the images you upload. Let's switch gears for a moment and talk about generating higher quality images. Leonardo AI allows you to upscale your images. Upscaling takes your image to a higher resolution, adding more detail and making it suitable for printing or other uses where quality matters. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to take one of the anime characters we generated earlier and click on the Upscale option. You'll notice that the image size and resolution increase dramatically, making the details even sharper and more defined. This is great if you want to print your artwork or use it in larger digital formats. In addition to upscaling, you can also remove backgrounds directly within the platform. This is incredibly useful if you want to isolate your character and use it in another project, such as a graphic design or a YouTube thumbnail. All you need to do is click Remove Background, and Leonardo AI will generate a version of the image with a transparent background, ready for you to import into another software like Photoshop or Canva. Finally, you can also use Leonardo AI to generate prompts. If you're stuck and can't think of what to create, there's an option called Improve Prompt. You enter a basic idea, and the AI will suggest more detailed prompts for you. For example, if I type in warrior, the AI might generate a prompt like, "A gallant warrior stands amidst the battlefield, his battle-scarred armor reflecting the fading sunlight." This is great for sparking creativity and coming up with new ideas for your artwork. So, now that you know how to use all these tools and features, you can start creating your own AI-generated anime art. The platform is packed with potential. Whether you're a beginner looking to create your first piece of digital art or a seasoned artist wanting to explore the possibilities of AI-assisted creativity. If you want to dive deeper into specific aspects of Leonardo AI, such as training your own models or working with the community-generated ones, we can cover those in future videos. And don't forget, you can start creating amazing AI art by checking the link in the description, and you'll be ready to start exploring all the possibilities Leonardo AI has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.